was loud. Sorry. Let me take my slippers off. I'm totally in my PJs here. I've got my avocado blanket on because it's cozy and warm. Hi, welcome back to my channel once again. If you're new here, I'm LacQuora. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Today, we is talking some trash. We're trash talking the empties. Yo, you guys better watch this video because I legit moved a box of empty trash from my old house to my new house just to film this video for you. So I swear you have to watch it. Okay. So here's the trash. Here's the trash. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on top of the Garnier Fructis with active fruit protein, curl nourish, fortifying conditioner. My favorite conditioner for my curly hair. It's the only thing that helps with the knots, and it actually like leaves my hair feeling soft and silky. I really like it. I go through it like water, if you can't tell. I'm sure there's gonna be more boxes or more bottles of that in here somewhere. But for now, that's all I can see. So there's 6 of them. This is the Sensually Soft Tabasco Blossom Body Wash. I got it on Amazon. It's by OGX, Beauty Pure and Simple. I liked it. It smelled good. But it made my skin feeling like squeaky clean, almost too clean, like stiff. So I used it all, but I don't think I'll buy this one again. Oh, we found this recently, and my kids really like it. It's Heritage by Mindy McKnight. It's called Double Down Conditioning Wash Shampoo. It's like a co-wash. My girls love this. They don't like to wash their hair. They hate washing their hair, actually. So if we can do it in 1 step instead of 2, it's way better. And Kaya thinks that it's making her hair grow longer, so double win. I only see 1 of these, but this is the Curl Nourish leave-in treatment. It's the air dry buttercream. I use it to leave in my curls. This is what the leave-in conditioner I put in my curls is. I really like that. The Holy Grail. I will definitely buy it again. This is another Holy Grail. Ooh, there's actually some left in here. This is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. I really like this. I apply it after the shower with the leave-in conditioner, and it works great for my curls. Ooh, look it. There's a leaf from my iguana. This is the Hair Balm. A lot of hair things in here. This is the Hair Balm Conditioning and Style. It's great for thick and coil hair. It's from Waterless. I found it at Walmart. It's actually on clearance right now at Walmart. I do like this, and I have a new one upstairs, and I will buy it again. As long as it doesn't like discontinue. I hope they're not discontinuing it. This my husband liked. It is the Silk and Shine Garnier Fructis with active fruit protein fortifying shampoo for frizzy and damaged unbearable hair. Shampoo. My husband used it. He liked it. These I did not like, but I did not use them all. I thought I did. I did not use them. I used about half of them. They were very dry. They were the No Acid Pads from Indeed Laboratory. I did receive this as a free sample, like a PR. They're no acid pads. I said that already. They're a gentle alternative to acid. I don't know. They didn't do anything. They're supposed to have like this cedar bud extract, and it's supposed to be good for enlarged pores and fine lines. I didn't see a difference when I used these, and I didn't like them. So I didn't even use them all. Oh, we like this. This is the Harry's 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. My husband swapped over to the Harry's 2-in-1, and he really likes this. So we'll keep buying that. That is a empty box. That is not empty. This is the Degree Motion Sense Stay Fresh Antiperspirant. It has aluminum in it, so I don't think I'll be repurchasing, but this was a holy grail of mine for a very long time, but I'm trying to go aluminum free with the deodorant now, so we'll see. This was a good one too. This is the Cedar and Cypress body wash for Method Men. Hubby really liked this one. It smelled handsomeness. It smells handsome. Oh, look, my scissors. I had lost them. That's nice. This is the Naked Skin One and Done from Urban Decay. It breaks me out because it is expired. This is a brush that I am tossing. It is seen better days. The fiber thingies keep coming out. It is the It Cosmetics Makeup Brush Bye Foundation Brush, I believe. But it's from Ulta. It's the It Cosmetics from Ulta one. Oh, these are really good. These are 5-blade razors for men. It comes with a handle and 17 heads for $17 on Amazon, and they are amazing. They're so good, and you can't beat the price. So cheap. This was the shampoo and conditioner that my little girl was using prior to the Heritage one that I just showed you. This is the Way to Grow Long and Strong shampoo and conditioner, but we didn't like it. It made her hair very straw-like and hard feeling. So we didn't like that one. Let's see. These are the First Aid Radiance Pads by First Aid Beauty. Oh, sorry, Facial Radiance Pads by First Aid Beauty. I did use them all. I really liked them. They were very nice. They helped to tone, exfoliate, and brighten. If I need to, I'll repurchase those ones again. I did like those ones. This is something that I barely got like 4 uses out of. I couldn't stand it. This is the Indeed from Indeed Laboratories, the watermelon melting balm, and I actually have a review on this on my channel along with those Indeed no acid pads, because they both came in PR. And this, it's like rubbing Vaseline on your face. It's so gross. I actually took you into the shower with me to use this, and it was disgusting. I didn't even like it the first time I used it. Oh, this one. This is the, it's still full. This is the Sandalwood aluminum-free deodorant. It makes me have a rash. It's for men technically, but who cares? It smells really good, but unfortunately it did cause me to have a rash under my arms, which hurts. Who wants a rash under their armpits? No, thank you. Oh, I loved this. So this is the Ipkin Moist and Firm. So dirty. Moist and Firm BB Cream Broad Spectrum 45. I loved this stuff. You can tell I literally cut it open and got every drop out that I possibly could because this is amazing. I'll definitely repurchase this eventually, but it's a little bit pricey, so I'm waiting because I really like this. A mascara that I really liked and it's gone is the Milani Highly Rated. It was a great mascara. I will purchase that again. This one was super good too. This is I used it to the point it's dead. This is Nude Kiss from e.l.f. and it's just their lip oil. Totally empty. And then this is the Physicians Formula Natural Defense Concealer. And this is broken too. I've cut it open and I've used all of it. So yeah, those are my empties. Those are my empties, guys. That was a pretty fast video, I think. Was that a fast video? I hope it was fast. I'm chilly. Oh. Coffee break. I forgot to tell you. So last night I went to the ER because I had like this, ow, it still hurts. I have this like bump on my arm and my husband was staring at it a couple of days ago and he's like, that looks like a pimple or something. Let me pop it. And I was like, okay. It hurt so much. I couldn't even let him touch it. It hurt so much. And he was like, maybe you should get that looked at. And I was like, nah, it's fine. It's fine. And then like a day went by and he looked at it again and it started to have like a little round circle around it. And he was like, LaCora, that kind of looks like a bullseye. I think you might really need to get that looked at. And I was like, no, it's fine. It's fine. I'm going to be fine. I'm Mom. It's no big deal. It's fine. The next day, meaning yesterday, he comes home and he's like, hey, how's your arm feel? And I'm like, he's good. Like, I won't show him my arm, and my sleeves are rolled up all the way because it hurt so much to even have like my shirt touching my arm. Anyways, he made me go get it looked at last night at the ER, and I don't know if you can see this. Can you see that? It's right here. It's a tick bite. I got bit by a tick in the middle of January, and I have Lyme disease, so I started my antibiotics, but that kind of sucks, and my arm and my whole like left side of my torso really hurts today. But it's life, and it's a good one, and I'm happy to be here. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I kind of ramble a lot with these videos, but I enjoy it, so thanks for hanging out with me and my avocado blanket and talking some trash. Anyways, I hope you liked this video, guys, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.